Okay, hello to everyone. Today we start our today's session, and today's session topic is types of goods, classification of goods in economics. If we are saying that many classification is given in economics for goods, first is mainly goods are divided into two parts: economic goods and non-economic goods. Okay, so first one is economic goods. As we see that in the mean show that word is a meaning of economic good. Economic good it means which economy it means is related to money. It means which good are related to money. Economic goods, which goods who have price. It means which good its supply is less than to demand. Demand is high to supply. It means price also high. It means that product, that good is scarce, produced through the scarce resources. Scarce means limited resources, right? So when supply is less than the demand and also good having a price, this type of goods we say economic good. Okay, for example, land is scarce or not? Yes, scarce. Many consumers want the land, but limited land are provided. Okay, so prices is high. So this one good is called economic good. Now, for example, farmer. If one farmer want to produce rice and sugarcane, okay, on the land, but land is limited. So the farmer choose one, or rice or sugarcane, because limited resources are given and resources are land. So if the farmer is choose the rice, it means sugarcane he can't produce. Okay, so it means this type of good we say that economic good. Economic good we also say that material good, and non-material good it means services. We can't hold the non-material goods. Second thing is non-economic good. What is non-economic goods? Who don't have any price, who provided which goods are provided free of cost. We are not paid any type of price. For example, air, water, sunshine, etc. We are not paid money for the natural resources. Okay, but if for example sand, okay, sand also provided by the nature. In river area, sand is lying, right? But if we collect the sand and we are distribute the sand in many sectors, we take a price, its sand is converted to non-economic goods to economic goods. Okay, so sometimes non-economic goods are converted into economic goods. Okay, for example, water. When water is in wells or rivers, it's free of costs provided. But if water is stored and through the pipelines or pumps it's provided to house, then the organization, that group one, takes the money for the water. Okay, same as air is through the air. We many products are sale: air conditioner, room cooler, fans, right? So these are related to air. So non-economic good is converted to economic good. Now next one is economic goods are divided into two parts: consumer goods and producer goods. Okay, first one is goods. As simple word it shows the meaning. Consumer goods, it means which good are used by the consumer and consumer get the maximum satisfaction, right? These goods are called consumer goods, right? Consumer uh, purchase the goods from the market and give the paid the money and use the goods and get the maximum satisfaction. Okay, in daily life we are such a use the many goods like bread, milk, pan, cloth, food item, furniture, many items we are use. These are consumer goods because we purchase from the market and we pay the money. Okay, consumer goods are divided into two parts, mainly in two parts: single use consumer goods, okay, and durable use consumer goods. First one is single use consumer good. It means what good we consume, okay, only only once time. If we use once time, the goods are finished. Food items we use only one time. When we use one time, next time we can't use that one because goods already finished when we use. Clear? It means food items, mainly food item we use only once time. Okay, these are single use consumer goods. Next one is same as services also. Doctor service, teacher service. One time we use, next time again we use, but not same. Next time, next service you use for your consumption. Okay, so this one is single use. Next one is durable use consumer goods. It means which good we use for a long time period or short time period. Okay, not for a once time. It means again and again, maybe for short time, maybe for long time, we use a good for our consumption. Okay, so this type of goods we say that durable use consumer goods. Clothes are short time period goods. We use many times, right? Again and again. But car, car is a long time. Washing machine is a long time period goods. We use again and again. But these goods are durable use goods. Clear? Clothes, machine, toothpaste, scooter, bat, many items durable use consumer goods. Next second is consumer good. First one is consumer goods, second one is producer goods. Producer goods also we say that capital goods. Capital goods are those goods which help in the production, right? For help in the production, and production goods are provided in the market and consumer purchase the goods and get the satisfaction. It means producer goods indirectly or in directly way, they are give the satisfaction to the consumer, but capital goods are used for the production, like machine, plant, raw material, agriculture. These are item used for the production. Okay, same as consumer goods, capital or producer goods also divided in two parts: single use producer goods and durable use producer goods. Raw material is single use producer goods. Single use means which one used for only once time. It means raw material are single use producer goods. For example, cotton, coal, these are single use producer goods. Second one is durable producer goods. It means plant, machinery, okay, factory building. These are goods are durable. We use many times in our production of goods. Okay, so simple as durable use producer goods. So today we discuss how many types of goods. Mainly two types: economic and non-economic. Economic goods also divided two parts: consumer goods and producer goods. And both are divided two parts: single use and durable goods. Clear? If you have any problem, then we can discuss. Thank you.